Everyone, it's Miss Amber and welcome to our Grundy Library Code Club. Today for Code Club, I'm doing a beginner exercise called Blocks Jumper, and this is a game creation, so you're basically just learning to code through making your own video game. Okay, so we're going to be coding here in the middle of our screen, and our directions are over here on the left. And what I liked about this exercise is that it had really great directions. They're really clear, and it also gives you a visual example of what your code should look like, and it checks you as you go along your way. So there's lots of little checks throughout these exercises, and there's 10 exercises in all. So I'm just going to demo the first couple, and basically we're trying to get our monkey sprite over here to get to our star. So the first thing we have to do is we need to take a step block and connect it to the run block. And that's going to be down here. This is our library, and we're going to hit the movement tray. And you can see here is the step block. We're going to drag that up, snap it in. Okay, and then we're going to hit check. Let's see if that part was correct. Okay, so that was a mini step out of the first exercise. It was correct, and now it's going to prompt us to change the 1 to 300. So let's try that. And then again, we're going to check that little step to make sure we got that correct. Okay, good. So now it's telling us that we are ready to hit run and see if our first exercise is complete. So let's see if we can get that monkey over to the star. Okay, so that was correct. So we're going to move on to the next section. This is exercise 2. And we're going to start working with loops. So some of you might be familiar with loops, and for others of you it might be totally new. That's okay. You can just read your directions over here. There's also a listen feature, so if you want to listen to your directions, you can press this little green button here, and it'll read it to you. So first we're going to get a loop block, and that's under control. Here it is right here. I'm going to drag that up and snap it in. Okay, and then I'm going to get a step block, which we know where that is from our last exercise. Okay, let's check that and see if we have that right. Okay, so that looks like it's correct. And I am going to hit run to see if we have completed the second exercise. Okay, great. We were able to get that monkey to the star, so we are good to move on. So starting from the third exercise onward, it starts to get a little bit more complicated. Each of these exercises is going to build on the last one and add some new coding skills. In the third exercise, you're going to be adding in some more blocks and then adding in a sound. All right, I hope you guys have so much fun, and Miss Laura and I will see you at our next Grundy Library Code Club. Bye!